Set of 5 factory-sealed Ultra Pro deck boxes. These affordable polyboxes hold approximately 80 sleeved trading cards each. Each box is individually sealed in original manufacturer's packaging. Set includes light green, white, red, light blue and black. Exact shades may vary slightly. Top reviews from the United States. Great for storage decks. Worth it if you plan on having multiple decks. It's convenient to be able to grab and go while also ensuring they are slightly protected organized. Still recommend a quality deck box for anything that gets more than moderate play in the long run, but of course prices are a big negate to that when you may need 10+ deck boxes. So these are a great option for budget players with a lot of cards in play rotation. 5/5